I-weekend ibi-right ngoLwesihlanu khona bebengishumela khona uNkulunkulu sihlonipha ngendlela emangalisayo izolo kusemabhodweni.
Very amazing. It felt very nice. Sihluthi ngokomoya. Sweet.
Ngiphethe kahle kakhulu sikhonze kamnandi uNkulunkulu emuhle yonke into iyahamba kahle. Si-happy konzo yaqala kamnandi ngegiye eliphezulu yazi yaphetha ngegiye eliphezulu akukho okungenzekanga in terms of ukudla sahla sasutha hey angazi bekufisa ngathi manje ngingangahamba ngathi ngingahlala nje ngiqhuthe bekhonzo.
Yeah, I think it was nice. You can I be therapy. Siphethe kamnandi kakhulu sikhonze kamnandi kwakuhle uNkulunkulu futhi wanathi kakhulu. Sibonga kakhulu nje support yabazalwane support wonke umuntu contribute ukuze inkonzo ibe impumelelo. Siyabonga.
No, the weekend was great. It was filled with edification and revival. I really enjoyed myself and I've nourished myself both spiritually and mentally. So, amen. Amen.
Mnandi kakhulu bafai bekunakele bekumandi phansi kwakhonzeka bafo ngibona uNkulunkulu esebenza futhi sibonge kakhulu.
It was awesome. We were blessed. Thank you so much.
Right kakhulu uNkulunkulu simbonile uNkulunkulu namazulu ahlonipha ngendlela emangalisayo. Hey kusukela ngolosine encike inkosi kuze kube namhlanje. Hayi uNkulunkulu usebenze ngendlela emangalisayo. Siyabonga nje.
Shout out to Liabona twice. Subscribe and like and leave some comments there.